Okay. Good afternoon. My name is Kodah of All Cars, and today we're gonna meet Mr. Jerome. We're gonna buy his 2015 Vios na manual. So, well, of course, the Vios, everybody knows, easy peasy car, super easy to maintain. Very seldom has a problem yung mga Vios. So, ito yung kotse. I checked this car personally last time. We'll just give it a final inspection and then bayaran na. Nice to see you. Okay na naka-video. So this one, ang gwapo, macho pa. So ito yung kotse. I'll start it lang. Aminin ko ako, hindi na ako magaling mag-manual na mag-drive. So mileage is 87. What year is this again, Jerome? 2015. So not bad for a 9-year-old car na, no? Bilis ng panahon. And very, very well kept. Tignan niyo yung itsura, for a 9-year-old car. Ganda, pare, naalagaan mo yung kotse. Ano, sariwa yung loob. Sariwa din yung labas. So let's just check some of the things. So, of course, we have to check the hood. Ang unang titignan dito is the pressed metal, if everything's aligned. So, everything's okay. Walang masilya, walang anything. Control beams, support beams are good. Engine doesn't have any leaks. It's a Toyota Vios, so it's a pretty well-made car. Ganda Vios. Very, very seldom na magkakaproblema sa Vios. And, if aayusin mo, sobrang mura. Kaya yung mga Vios, maganda pa rin yung sale value kahit luma na. Pa-double check nung mga manual. I-check natin. And then, I'll pay you na. Let's just check the documents.
Still has registration.
Aha.
And those are the originals.
Perfect. Ayan, good. Tanggal na yung encumbrance ni Sir Jerome. So, sorry, naka-list pala siya, no? So, ayan. You have, ayan. Buti na lang. Ito ang importante dyan. So, certified true copy siya. Good. So, okay. Since maraming Toyota na kotse sa market, I wanna share this info, no? So, ang kotse niya, hindi encumbered. It's Toyota Financial Services. So, TFS leased to Mr. Jerome Karandang. Ang kailangan mong documents dito, dahil kakaiba siya, hindi siya encumbered, but it's leased to. So, Toyota Financial Services is the financial arm. Yan yung in-house financing ng Toyota. So, ang kailangan mo dyan, since it's a company, no, TFS leased to Toyota Financial Services, you need a secretary certificate in the issue ng TFS when you get the car kapag certified ka na fully paid. Ayan. So, number one, they'll issue a certification that says that as of this date, obligation of Mr. Jerome has been fully paid and the account is closed. So, this is step one. Step two, you need a secretary certificate na si Mr. Suarez is authorizing so-and-so, these people, to sign on behalf of Toyota Financial Services. So, ang hanapin mo una dyan si Mr. Suarez, kung nasan yung ID niya. So, ayan, nandito siya. And then, hahanapin naman natin next, si Mr. Jomar Dalisay, Hazel, Ms. Lopez, and si Mr. Dalisay, and then si Ms. Hazel Lopez. So, good. And then, may deed of sale naman, kasi in-authorize ng secretary, ng corporate secretary ng Toyota, si Mr. Dalisay and Mrs. Lopez, na ibenta yung kotse kay Mr. Jerome Karandang, which is his sir. So, okay yan. And then, Toyota will also give you, ayan, kompleto pa, ayan, kung ano yung mga gagawin na steps. So, gagawin lang, yan, notarized deed of sale, absolute deed of sale, but Toyota Financial Services, CorpSec, ORCR, ayun lang. So, good bingo ito. ID, sir, meron ka? So, can you send it to me, ano na lang, papaprint ko na lang. Okay ito. So, yan, kompleto, warranty booklet. So, everything's complete. Good. So, Sir Jerome, what new car are you getting?
Territory.
Oh, nice. Congrats in advance.
Entry level lang.
Hey, don't need, alam mo, to be honest, anong problema? Well, it's very nice to have a sunroof, but sometimes it's challenging. Minsan tumutulo.
Yeah, that's what I heard too.
So, sa mga taong may sunroof, you always have to have the lining and the sides of your vehicle clean. Yung binubugahan ng hangin. Kasi pag napuno yun, nasa stuck yung, like, may mga leaves, may dirt. So, ngayon yung water, maghahanap siya ng dadaluyan. So, minsan, di ba, ito yung minsan, diba, sa likod dumadaan, sa harap, nakakaano. So, that's one of the challenges of a vehicle with a sunroof. Pero, I mean, it's cute, di ba? Cute din magka-sunroof. Okay, so I'll just wait. We'll just sign some documents and we'll be done. So, yun. Hopefully, we'll be done in less than 15 minutes. Wala pa. Oo. So, yan, we'll just transact dito sa trunk ng kotse. Tapos after this, you go straight to the dealer na. Saan dealer ka bibili?
Kasi na,
Oh! Shoutout sa lahat ng agent partners natin in Quezon Ave. Sa lahat ng management. It's a very, very professional dealership. So this is, kindly count. No. Ayan sis. I always joke, guys. Pag nagbabayad ako ng cash, may warranty yan hanggat nandito ako.
alright.
Pag umalis na ako, tapos may kulang. Kasi sometimes, like a long time ago when I was starting, merong yung pera daw, as I paid 180, mura lang, wasn't that big of a month. Sabi niya, hindi, I trust you. Tapos tumawag siya sa akin, Kodah, kulang ng 1,000 yung isang bundle. Sabi ko, oh, wala na. After 1 week pa siya tumawag. So after that, I really insist na please count the money while we're together. So if kulang man yan, or sobra, we can adjust right away. So after this, magbebenta naman tayo ng kotse. So if you want to buy cars, we have about 300 cars in our showroom, the all-car showroom in Valero Car Park 2 in Makati City. Feel free to drop by. We'd love to take care of you guys. If you want to buy this particular car, it's a 2015 Vios Manual. Very, very well kept by Mr. Jerome. This is all cars. We have a no mileage tampering guarantee yan. We'll stake. That's why lahat ng kotseng binibili natin, especially me, there's a video, corresponding video that shows you the mileage, the owner. Para kampante din kayo. Kasi mahirap you're spending money, your hard-earned money. So you want to make sure that you're getting the best possible value for the money you're spending. Honest to goodness business lang tayo sa all cars. So, as always, we do not do open deed of sale transactions. It's a closed deed of sale. Yeah, this one that I paid the amount and for the car. Ayan. And then, dito ko nalang pe-print yung mga ID. Ayan. Pass 3 specimens signatures. Okay, and that's it.
That's it.
Let's
Thank
take a photo lang.
Sure.
Okay,
Awesome.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Kodah.
that's it.
Thank you, Kodah.
Thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank
pare.
you.
Chris, ikaw na bahala dito. Ay, oo nga pala. Kung mag-drive ako mag-isa ngayon. Kasi si Chris, di siya marunong mag-drive ng manual. So, dapat si Jerwin mag-drive. Kaya ako nga sinama si Jerwin para di ako mag-drive papuntang Makati. So yun, thank you so much
Thank you,
for a very
yeah.
smooth transaction and congratulations with your new car. So if you wanna sell your car, you already know your favorite car trader, Kodah of all cars. And if you wanna buy cars, ayan, if you wanna buy a brand new Ford vehicle, ayan, Ford QAV is a really good and very professional dealership. That's where Sir Jerome is going later. If you wanna buy pre-owned cars, we have over 300 cars for sale in our showroom in Valero Car Park 2, Makati City. Just look for me, Kodah of all cars. Oh, have a nice day, guys. God bless you. It's a weekend tomorrow, Friday na today. So hope you guys have a nice weekend. Have a nice day, guys.